Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video my stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and much more latest collection. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance, spiky hairstyle, and messy hairstyles, so attractive collection of fine hairstyle, much more ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, and so attractive collection of haircut, Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. So attractive collection of beautiful overall ideas in low maintenance for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll come with new trends according to your ideas. So you must share with me. I'll wait. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.